Oh, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Right about now, ladies and jelly spoons, what I'm going to do is install what is, in my opinion, one of a must-have accessory for any motorcycle. And for the Harley, Custom Dynamics makes something that's called a Magic Strobe. Basically, what that does is makes your brake lights flash rapidly when you step on the brakes. And what that does is obviously alert the driver or the rider behind you that you've stepped on the brakes or you're about to come to a stop. So in my opinion, it's a safety feature, and I'm not sure why none of the manufacturers have them in there. You can now see it being installed in a lot of cars on their third brake lights, but for some reason motorcycles haven't caught up yet on that. No idea why. I'm sure there's a good reason, but I'm sure one of the reasons is where we have to spend more money. So we're gonna do that on the on my Billiard Red Road Glide here, the Big Red, or you know, the 3-ball. But the product that we're gonna install is this. It's Magic Strobes, and it's got 10 flash patterns on there. So 10 different flash patterns. So we're gonna go through all of those real quick and see which one I keep. But before I start the installation, I have a few shout outs. First one to my man Barry from Thrill Mouse Moto. If you enjoy Rikers, make sure you check out his channel. He's got a PS5 that he's giving away. You've got to be a subscriber to his channel, and another one. More details on his channel. Go check it out. Live videos. You have to be present at the live videos, and he gives out a lot of hints on how you can get your name entered in to win. So check out Thrill Mouse Moto. I was also watching a live video of a few YouTubers that just crossed the 1,000 subscribers mark. So congratulations to you guys, Black Phoenix Entertainment, Chopper Fett, I almost said Bubba Fett, but Chopper Fett, Reese Rides, and Road Rash. So pretty cool names there. And they just crossed the 1,000 mark along with Moto Mengi. Moto Mengi, I like watching your videos as well. He's got a Honda Goldwing, so if you're a Honda Goldwing fan or a Harley fan or sports bike or a Spider fan, check out these channels, man. You'll love them. For Harley, one of the channels that I like that also crossed the 1,000 subscriber mark is Night King. He's got a I believe a 2020, I forget, but he's got a really cool Road King special, so you guys got to check his channel out as well. I've been chatting with him lately as well on some of his accessories that he's put on and trying to get some advice. Really cool guy. Check out his channel as well. So of course, you know, if you want to watch some more stuff, you know, if you haven't heard of Riker Rides already, I don't know what's going on with you. So check out Riker Rides. Beth, my bud from Florida, she's got a lot of videos on there too. And Kwasi Motard, man, he's got a lot of bikes. You got to check out his channel as well. So anyway, that's the shout outs for this video, and let's go ahead and continue with the installation on the Road Glide. And before we do that, let's cue the intro. Alright, first things first, we're gonna take the seat off. And for all you Riker riders out there, let me show you how easy it is to take a Harley seat off. I know it's easy to take a Riker seat off, but it is a pain in the butt to be able to put that same seat back on there once you take it off. So this one's pretty easy. Have a look. One screw here, one over here. The strap comes out, and bam, the seat comes off. How easy was that? And it goes back on there the same way in reverse order. So let me put this to the side. All right, let's see what we have here. So got a wire harness here that'll just kind of plug in into this wire harness. You've got two of them here. One is this kind of grayish white color, and one is this black color. But over here it says wire harness up here. I don't know what else it says, but it says wire harness. It's basically gonna fit in this one. This is what the item looks like. So it looks like it's coated and it's all covered in some sort of water resistant pieces. Got two switches here, and I believe one of them, I believe they're both to decide if you want, if I want the rear lights and the bottom fender light to strobe or not. So let's check it out. This should be fairly simple. Go ahead and unplug this, and let's see, should just be one way here. So this will go here, and this should go here, and that should be it. So let me go ahead and reposition the camera. Let me go ahead and reposition the camera to the back, and then let's turn this bad boy on and see what the strobes look like. All right, let's turn the bike on. And let's step on the brakes and see. Now this one seems like it's either on number 6 or number 1. I can't tell. Oh, it's on number, oh, I see it. Okay, it's on number 8. Let's start with number 1 and see what that looks like. So this is going to be setting 1. All right, there's setting 1, setting 2. Let's go to the next one, setting 3. Alright, so that's 3. This is going to be 4. Oh, I like that one. So it's a quick strobing effect a couple of times. I do like that one. So that's number 4. I think. Yep, that's 4. That's 5 right here. Couldn't tell the difference, but that was the next one, which I also like. Number 6. Ooh, that's just going nuts, isn't it? Number 7. Wow. I think that just continues to blink. Number 8. Yeah, that's not bad at all. That definitely gets someone's attention. Number 9. Alright, and that's it. And this goes back to 0. I think 0 just shuts it off. Okay, it's just the normal one, so I think I kind of like number 4 or 5. They seem kind of same to me. I like that. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the installation. I'm just gonna wrap it up, maybe just hide the wires and put the seat back on, and that's it. But hopefully this is enough to get drivers or riders' attention behind you, and hopefully they can stop on time, you know. So like I said, this is a must-have accessory for any motorcycle. I know for Rikers and Spyders, Sling Mods makes a bunch of them. So yeah, this is the strobe, Magic Strobe from Custom Dynamics for the Harley Davidsons. This one is for the Road Glide. And yeah, I appreciate it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button, and stick around, because right after this I'm gonna do the drawing for the giveaway. All right, guys, you guys have made it to the end of the video, the part of the video you've been waiting on, which is the Slope Pro 180X chest pack giveaway. Now, if you're here and don't know what's going on, first of all, I'd like to apologize because your name cannot be entered for the drawing. Last week I did a quick view of the chest pack, and I posted a question out there. The question was simple: which state was this chest pack designed and tested? The correct answer is Colorado. And if you answered it correctly, your name will go into the list of drawing, and whoever name comes up wins the bag. So there were 13 of you that answered the question correctly, and actually there was 13 of you that answered. So everyone answered correctly. That was the list. Before I spin the wheel, I want to I just realized I was wearing one of my OG shirts. If you know what this is, go ahead and hit me in the comments below. And I've got 13 numbers here on the spin the wheel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and spin the wheel. Oh, it landed on number 1. So number 1 is the winner. Let's see who number 1 is. And number 1 is Thrill Mouse Moto. Thrill Mouse Moto, congratulations, you are the winner. With fireworks here, if I can do the special effects. I don't know if I can or not, but Thrill Mouse Moto, you are the winner. Congratulations. Please go ahead and email me on rideaboutnowvlogs@gmail.com and let me know where to send you this bag, and I'll go ahead and mail it out to you. I just want to show you the list again. And we have Thrill Mouse Moto, Noel D. Weesey or Weiss. I hope I'm not murdering that name. We have Night King, Ray Ortiz, Iranical, Kevin Sandels, Joey R, DJ Rides, Nelson Tidnilsont. I hope I said that right. Kevin Tackett, John D, Scott Harvey, and Lou Mann. So I appreciate every single one of you participating. Hopefully in the future I can bring you some more chances to win more giveaways. So but I appreciate everyone participating. Thank you very much. Congratulations, Thrill Mouse Moto, my man Barry. You have won, and until next time, guys, ride safe.